Many people are asking one question again and again. Is this project made using one AI prompt? The answer is no. This is real computer vision project. It is built using Python code, not a single prompt. Let me show you how it's actually works. This project is called AirCanvas. You can draw in the air using your hands. You do not need to touch the screen. I use Python as a main language, OpenCV for camera and drawing, MediaPipe for hand tracking, and NumPy for calculations. I shared a short demo earlier. Many people asked me to share the prompt, but this project needs proper installation and code. That is why I made this full video. Now I will show you how to install and run this project. First, make sure Python is installed on your system. Okay, so now you have to open this repo in the GitHub, but no worries, I will give you the link of this repo in the video description. Okay, so now when you open this page, you have to scroll down and come to the installation section, and here are all the commands. So first you have to copy this first command, then go to desktop and open any folder, and on the address bar you have to type cmd, then press enter, and after that cmd will pop up. Then here you have to put your first command, then press enter. Now go back to the repo page and then copy the second command, then paste it on the cmd. Okay, so now you have to copy the third command, npm install, and go back to the here and press enter. Now you have to wait for it. Okay, so it is asking me to address all the issues including breaking changes, run. Okay, so you have run this prompt. Just copy this npm audit fix force and then enter. Okay, so now it's ready. So now we have to run this program, npm run dev. Just copy this prompt and open the cmd, then paste it. Okay, so now with these links you can open this browser. So first, okay, so now the project is opening and you have to allow your camera access. Okay, so as you can see, this is open. Okay, so how we can use this? So first you need a web camera for this project. It tracks my hand movement, as you can see, and we can draw with our index finger, as you can see here. When we open it, so it converted shape. And if you want to drag this, hold your pinch and move the object side. Now we have to zoom out with the camera zoom out button. You can also change the color of the marker. So now if I draw something, then it will be in the green color, as you can see here. And now this is a star. Okay, and one thing I forgot to share, you can also use this on the network and you can invite your friend and then you can draw together. This project is not possible with using single AI prompt. This is real computer vision system built with code. That is why I shared the complete GitHub repository. If you want the full code, GitHub link is in the description. Okay, so like the video, and if you are new here, then subscribe to the channel for more AI projects. Bye bye.
Story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.